Hello, Assalamualaikum, and have a good day. I'm Junaida binti Muhammad Janjang from Tourism and Hospitality Department, Politeknik Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin, Malaysia. On behalf of the team, would like to present the relationship between ambience elements and staff satisfaction, a case study of Politeknik Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin Cafeteria. The ambience in the cafeteria is the major determinant of the quality assessment and influencing the customer satisfaction, according to Ahmed, Nisar and Zafar 2019. The most common complaint regarding the institution's cafeteria are uncongenial ambience, shortage of the staff, pricing, limited food choices, and also low food quality, according to Li, Liao, Li, and Ra 2016. Plus, Ahmad et al. 2019 also stated that the most of the customer refuse to eat at the cafeteria is due to the bad food quality and dissatisfaction of the cafeteria ambience. Hence, it is crucial for the food service operators to identify the factors that affect the ambience and the environment of the restaurant. Many previous studies have investigated that the influence between the ambience elements and customer satisfaction at the cafeteria in Malaysia context, such as Him Yusuf Muhammad Haris 2020, Lee et al. 2016, Omar et al. 2015, Rafizah Azizan and Leoneta 2020. However, the study, which focusing only on Polytechnic Malaysia cafeteria, is extremely limited. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to examine the relationship between the ambience element and that comprises of the spatial layout, interior design, colors, music, and staff satisfaction at Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin, Malaysia. Hence, this study will contribute significant impact on the staff and cafeteria operator itself, whereby by improving these elements, it will aid the cafeteria operators to gain a better profit in the future for their business. Okay, Osman, Hossein and Sakar 2018 claim that ambience can be defined as a structural element and it is one of the fundamental indications to the customer to assess the restaurant quality. According to Omar et al. 2014, they mentioned that the spatial layout, interior design, colors, and music influence the customer satisfaction. Meanwhile, Zeham and Dichner 2003 said that spatial layout referred to the way of the equipment, facilities, and the furniture being arranged, the size and the shape of this item, and the spatial relationship between them. According to Ryu, Han, and Zhang 2010, interior design is defined as the physical environment of the restaurant and it has a great influence on the restaurant image as well as it can act positively and negatively to the customer's perception toward the particular restaurant. According to Lin 2009, argues that the color is critical in physical interior setting. Other than that, colors can contribute to differentiating from particular restaurant to the competitors, influencing the appetite, evoking feelings and the mood negatively or positively, and forming attitude, according to Sign 2006. Music is defined as an ecologically valid and complex stimulus that conveys certain emotion to the listener throughout the composition of musical element, according to Ling, Yang, and June 2014. According to Nicola 2019, music can influence the customer to approach the restaurant and increase purchases from customers because music make the environment as a upscale or optimistic. In university cafeteria context, customer satisfaction is totally related to the served food and beverage quality, variety and choices, to hygiene and cleanliness, also price and value, fairness, and the ambience. This is according to Serhan and Serhan 2019. So what is the relationship between the cafeteria ambience and the staff satisfaction? Previous studies have shown that the cafeteria ambience influence customer satisfaction. According to Ahmad et al. 2019, the cafeteria ambience is the major determinant of quality assessment and influencing customer satisfaction toward the cafeteria services. Plus, Osman et al. 2018 also stated that in their studies results indicated ambience has a significant impact on the staff satisfaction with the cafeteria services. According to him, Yusuf and Aris 2020, they also found that the ambience is the factor influence the student satisfaction toward the cafeteria services in UTHM Pago campus, Malaysia. So therefore, this study proposed that there are 4 hypotheses, which is one, there will be a positive relationship between spatial layout and staff satisfaction. Second, there are positive relationship between interior design and staff satisfaction. Third, there is a positive relationship between colors and staff satisfaction. And last but not least, there is a positive relationship between music and staff satisfaction. So this is the conceptual framework, which is spatial layout, interior design, colors, and music that lead to the staff satisfaction. And this framework is actually adapted from Omar et al. 2014. Okay, let's look on the research methodology. So this research is actually quantitative and single cross-sectional and survey method being used, and the population is basically PTSS employees from both academic and non-academic. Overall is 402 according to Administration Department of PTSS 2020. So for the sampling, resource calculation being used out of 402 minimum sample is 197 respondent being selected. So implemented stratified random sampling, least number of questionnaire. This method was for academic department 110 and non-academic department 87. So the instrument that being used, which is the questionnaire, was adapted from the previous study by Zhang and Liu 2008, Walker and Lundberg 2008, Zhang and Har 2009. And this questionnaire being divided into 3 sections, which is section A, food quality, consists of 22 items. Section B, customer satisfaction, consists of 6 items. And the last section C, which is respondent demographic profile, contain 5 items. So this study utilized a 5-point Likert scale ranging from 1 to 5, which is strongly disagree to strongly agree. Okay, so for the data collection, it being collected, of course, in PTSS, and then survey method was employed, and researcher distribute pen and paper together with the questionnaire, and then using a self-administered questionnaire. So the data collected being analyzed using SPSS edition 22, whereby there are 2 content experts verified all the items in order to ensure the instrument validity. So crunch by alpha coefficients was used to determine the reliability and is trustworthy as from 0.893 to 0.947 alpha. So this table shows that the result of demographic profile, which is it shows that females is higher than male, and then the highest average age is from 21 to 40 years old, and then most of them are married, and at least for the education, they have a SPM, and then the job status is out of 162, 111 is staff academic, and the balance is the non-academic staff. So this is the result for the Pearson coloration analysis that showed the spatial layout, interior design, colors, and music are correlated with the staff satisfaction. So interior design is the strongest correlated with the staff satisfaction, followed by the color, spatial layout, and lastly, music. This is result for the multiple regression analysis, shows that the spatial layout, interior design, and the music contributed significantly and positively toward the prediction of the staff satisfaction, with all the beta values data that's stated in the table. Okay, according to the result obtained, the cafeteria ambience attribute comprises of interior design, spatial layout, music, and significant positively influence the staff satisfaction. The interior design significance and positively influence staff satisfaction, which is consistent with the Omar et al. Research previously on 2015. As mentioned by Jang 2012, the interior design could be an effective way to make customer feel comfortable at the same time to boost the return patronage in restaurant. So the study also discovered that the color has a significant impact on the staff significant as well. Staff satisfaction as well. So they prefer a color promotes a pleasing mood, and the personnel reflect the cafeteria theme and encourage a conducive workplace. So the spatial layout also has a significant impact on the employee satisfaction. Wakefield and Bloggett 1996, which stated that the restaurant space would be large enough for the guests to navigate freely quickly, which intuitive indication of which direction to go. Finally, the music is one of the factors that contribute to the staff satisfaction with the cafeteria. As Nicola 2019 points out that playing music can influence guests to dine in the restaurant and make them feel better, as well as increasing the sales and revenue for the business as well. The study discovered that cafeteria ambience, which is include the spatial layout, interior design, colors, and music, has significant and beneficial influence on the staff satisfaction in the context of Politeknik Tuanku Saiz Rajudin staff. So as a result, improving these four factors is actually particularly interior design is actually a vital for the future employee satisfaction. So this finding will beneficial for both staff and the cafeteria operators in order to obtain extra point and concurrently boosting the staff satisfaction and fascinate the other staff to have their meal at the cafeteria in coming times. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum.